Welcome to another video. Today, we are tackling a common problem encountered by Next.js developers. In this case, the issue arises when declaring a page with async parameters, resulting in a type error during the project build process. To address this problem, the solution involves adapting to the breaking changes introduced in Next.js 15 regarding properties like params. By defining the type of params as promise slowed, string, and modifying the page declaration to await the parameters, we can ensure compatibility and resolve the type error. So, the solution lies in restructuring the page declaration to handle the async parameters correctly. By implementing the provided code snippet, you can effectively resolve the type mismatch and continue building your project without encountering errors. In summary, by making these adjustments to the parameter types and asynchronous handling, you can overcome the type error in your Next.js project. I hope this explanation has been helpful in guiding you through addressing this issue. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions. See you next time.